Hi, I'm James Polson. I teach the Advanced Manufacturing and Welding Technology class here at SEATech, and I've been here for 10 years. So I grew up in Southern Arizona, in Casa Grande, Arizona. I graduated in 1995. When I was growing up there, some of my favorite things to do were hunting, spending time in the desert, riding freewheelers. One of the teachers that stands out is my drafting teacher in high school. His name was Tom Pfeiffer. Spent a lot of time working with me and got my skills up in drafting. And I wanted to pursue aeronautical engineering or civil engineering in high school. I played football, did track and golf. Before high school, I also did Taekwondo for 6 years. When I completed high school, I moved to Moscow, Idaho, started at U of I in civil engineering, and then changed to industrial technology. While I was going to school, I worked in different shop settings. I worked for a tool and die company for a number of years while I was going to college. I was a CNC machinist and a project manager. Over the years, I've worked in several different shops. When I was in high school, I worked at an automotive garage. I worked at a helicopter repair shop, worked construction. The whole time I was going to U of I, learning how to become a teacher. I never anticipated on teaching. I was doing that because it gave me two options of either being a teacher or going into mid-level management in manufacturing, and I was looking to go that route. And it wasn't until I student taught at Lewiston High School in the machine shop there that I really started to fall in love with teaching. And it was the watching how students could grab onto what you were trying to teach them and open them up to whole new things and watching their skills develop that I decided that could be something I want to do for a career. My first teaching job was in Pilot Rock, Oregon, and I taught there for 2 years. And then I taught at McLoughlin High School in Milton-Freewater for 11 years. Then I've been here at SEATech for the last 10 years. In the Advanced Manufacturing and Welding Technology class here at SEATech, it's really beneficial for students because they get a good foundation in manufacturing. It's basically a combination of an engineering class, machining class, a welding class, and other manufacturing curriculum all kind of combined together. So our first year students get to do welding, they get a little bit of machining, they learn how to do laser cutting and engraving, they'll learn how to do 3D printing, blueprints, other design processes. And then our second year students get more into machining, so they'll learn manual lathe, manual mill, CNC, mill and lathe machines. It's a great foundation for that student that wants to start their career in manufacturing. Students leave here and they go to a variety of places. We're a Boeing partner program, so I have a number of students that will leave here and go straight to work for Boeing. I have students that will leave here and go to Walla CC or CBC for machining or welding. And I have students that leave here and go straight to work at local manufacturing companies like a Keytech, Nelson Irrigation, Walla Walla Foundry, those sorts of companies. And I have students that leave here and they go to the four-year universities, trade schools like WyoTech, and a variety of other fields. This sets those students up for that next step. So outside of work, some of my hobbies include video games, but I also like to work in the yard. I like working on leather work. I've restored a Volkswagen, so working on projects like that, taking my Volkswagen to car shows, attending car shows, different sporting events. A lot of fishing. Love to go out fishing and enjoy the outdoors. I am James Polson, and I am Walla Walla Public Schools.